Let's see the exercise from chapter 8. So this is question 811, the first question from exercise 8.1. We have been given a triangle ABC, right angled at B, and we have been given some distances. From that, we have to find out sine and cosine of the non-right angles. So let's first draw a quick diagram. Let's say this is a right angled triangle at here, and we have been given the three vertices as A, B, C. Let's see what we exactly know. AB has been given, AB is 24 and BC is 7. And the first thing we have to do is like to calculate the hypotenuse. Now this is a right angle triangle. So we'll use the Pythagoras theorem, and the hypotenuse square is the square root of some of the squares of the individual sides. So this will come out to be 25 because 7 square is 49, 24 square is 576. If you add them together, it will become 625. Square root of that will be 25. Now, in the first sub question, the focus is on angle A. So we'll concentrate on this angle. For this angle, remember, for any angle, the longest side opposite to the right angle is always hypotenuse. So this will always remain hypotenuse irrespective of which angle you are talking about. As far as angle A is concerned, this is the opposite side directly facing in front of it, and the last side remaining will be the adjacent side. So now here we are talking about sine ratio of that particular angle. Remember, the definition of hypotenuse is fixed. Hypotenuse remains same irrespective of whatever angle you are considering. However, opposite and adjacent, they depend upon which angle you are talking about. So that's why I'm going to draw this diagram one more time when we solve sub question number 2, because the definition of opposite and adjacent will be changing depending upon if you are considering some other angle. So let's see that. Sine of any angle is opposite over hypotenuse. In this case, for A, opposite is 7 and hypotenuse, the longest side, will be 25. And that's it. We have been also asked cosine of A. Cosine has been defined as adjacent over hypotenuse. So you have to recall the three definitions of the three trigonometric ratio, at least the basic one. Sine is opposite over hypotenuse, cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, and tangent, tan, is opposite over adjacent. So for cos A, it will become adjacent is 24, hypotenuse is still 25. Now, if you are considering some other angle, let's say C. So in that case, let's copy paste this diagram one more time. Now our focus is on angle C. So for angle C, now remember, hypotenuse is still same. Opposite side now for this one, directly facing opposite it, will be this one. And the last side will be adjacent one. So now, again, we have been asked sine and cosine. So sine is opposite over hypotenuse, that will be 24 over 25. And cosine is adjacent over hypotenuse, that would be 7 over 25. So these are your final answers.